If part of your home suddenly loses power, a tripped circuit breaker is often the reason. Today, I'll show you how to reset a tripped circuit breaker safely and correctly. First, unplug or turn off any devices on the circuit that lost power. This helps prevent the breaker from tripping again. Next, locate your breaker panel. It's usually in a garage, basement, or utility area. Open the panel and look for a breaker that's flipped to the middle or off position. It may not be fully off. That's how you know it tripped. To reset it, firmly switch the breaker all the way to the off position first, then flip it back to on. If the breaker stays on, go back and plug in your devices one at a time. If the breaker trips again right away, leave it off and stop using that circuit. This could indicate an overloaded circuit or a wiring issue that needs professional help. Quick reminder, if you're finding these home repair tips useful, like the video and subscribe to the Daily Fix for more simple fixes you can do yourself. Never force a breaker that won't reset, and never open the electrical panel beyond the breaker switches. Knowing how to reset a breaker can save time, stress, and unnecessary service calls. That's today's Daily Fix. Stay safe and keep things running.